Check the email, them answer. Whole heap of email. Delete. How is it? Delete. It's like a new type of scam. Hello, I am from China. I don't speak English. We have you on video camera playing with yourself inappropriately to teeny bop porn. Them scammer nowadays to blood clot. Delete. What is Yahoo? Delete. Facebook. Delete. Twitter. 12 go up on Twitter. Hey, the market steam nice man. I forgot jump on that. How this? Hello?
Hello, Pace. Did you get our email?
How this? Yo, why you know my name? Why you get my number?
That's not important. The email with the teeny bop porn, and we got you on cam playing with your John.
How the blood clot you talk about? Yo, me not do them thing then and I'm me up on the blood clot camera. Yo, a fool let it man for. Old scammer.
Oh really? So you won't mind if we share the video to your entire contact list on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter?
Yo, how you get me info? I must blood clot Facebook, Fucking Facebook.
Oh well, actually the dark web.
Dark web? So them have light web too?
Pace, just shut the fuck up for 1 second. We're gonna send the video to your entire contact list.
If me don't do what? What you want me do? What you want me do?
If you don't send 1 Bitcoin.
1 Bitcoin?
Yeah, 1 Bitcoin.
You know how much 1 Bitcoin I go worth in 2020?
Oh, I don't. How much is it gonna be worth in 2020?
$100,000. Yeah.
Oh really? 100,000.
So you know what? Go suck your mother coming and sending a blood clot Bitcoin, you see me? You know what? Me will go post the blood clot jerk off video to my contact list my fucking self. Yeah. Me will post before you post it, alright? Yeah, goodbye. Bright and blood clot feisty.
Well that's a first. He said he's gonna post a jerk off video to his contact list himself. Man, that's crazy. Hey John, please don't get any more Jamaicans info from the dark web. Oh my god, that's insane. We don't even have a video.